Great anger and violence never built a nation. Warm good morning to one and all. It's Ms. Sanchita Rimal from the Capital Secondary School, Raniban, Gurkha. In the present context of Nepal, the problem against the domestic violence is increasing day by day. Now let's talk about domestic violence. First of all, we have to know what is meant by domestic violence. Let me clear you. The violent behavior like threatening, battering, mistreatment to the family members by their own family members within the home is called the domestic violence. The purpose of domestic violence is to establish and exert powers and control over them. It can affect the life of every human from every step of life, and it basically subject towards the intimate family, partners and spouse. Of course, women and children are the soft target of domestic violence. In a family member, fight, quarrel and misbehavior happen sometimes due to misunderstanding between them, but repeat of same misbehavior time and again, then it can turn into a domestic violence. Illiteracy, unemployment, political instability, poor laws, addiction to drugs and alcohol, poverty, economically depend upon the men, etc. are the main cause of domestic violence. Besides this, the male-dominated society play a vital role in this problem. Further, dowry can also leading causes which have the consequence of violence against the newlywed brides. Today's generation children are become victim due to inhuman behavior towards them more than before. It ranges from the physical to the emotional and sexual to the economic. A physical abuser uses a physical force to endanger and threaten their life. It includes kicking, slapping, punching and any kind of violence. Domestic violence starts from the issues like manner of speaking, respect, approach, etc. Do you know domestic violence brings the tension, fear, terror to the victim. They may feel scared, hopeless, depressed or someone ran away or commit suicide so bad. Due to domestic violence, the children of whole world was in a danger. According to the UNICEF, 257 million children of whole world have exposed to violence in their own home. Such children cannot grow up with a good environment in home if their mother was victim. So remember this point. Domestic violence will destroy family prestige towards the society will be decreases, and there are many effects against the domestic violence. Let's talk one example that according to the police on June 15, 2021 in the Chandrapur Rautahar district, a police arrested 42 years old man on the charge of throwing acid towards his own wife, which was only 38. According to the Hillary Clinton, violence against the woman is not a cultural, it is a criminal. I am also agree in this statement. According to the police data of Nepal, in the 3 months from February 12 to the May 14, there are 4,337 police reported violence against women and children. So remember your point or think yourself, what is the condition of Nepal right now? It doesn't mean that violence only against women, no, against men also. Women give unnecessary torture to the men like take car keys away, try to control where to go, what to eat, try to spend the money or giving tortures to leave him by taking his kids, by giving a divorce at extra. There are so many violence against men and women too. Domestic violence doesn't matter. Violence is violence. So we need to raise voice against it. To conclude, everyone must aware about the domestic violence is illegal, immoral and wrong. Everyone should be provided with a proper education, proper guidance to the new generation by the senior members, encourage the women to take part in a public participation and provide the public awareness to all the people about the domestic violence. Now, let's start to remove the domestic violence from our own home, then the nation and the world, and make our whole world the earth full of peace like a heaven. Come up with resolution. Domestic violence is not a solution. Thank you.